Hi, and welcome to English 101. This is Dr. Cooper, and I'm going to show you how to do well in this course. This is the course network, is what I call it. It's our English 101 site built in WordPress. I want to show you just quickly how you can find out where all of the course materials are, well, most of the course materials. When you come to the site, you'll find announcements. So these are the announcements that I will post to you weekly. Sometimes a couple times a week I'll post announcements. So you want to make sure that when you arrive at the site, the address is ENG101online.com. And what you'll see is information pertaining to that week or that day, depending on what the announcement is. So after you've read any announcements, what you can do then is go through and go to the particular part of the course that you are looking for. If you're just getting started, you'll start at the Start Here link, or tab is what I call these up here. These are tabs. And you can see that there's a list of things to get started, and then there are the videos that you are supposed to watch. This one you're watching being one of them. There's also a link to the syllabus, and it's very important that you read the syllabus and follow all of the guidelines that are pointed out in the syllabus. Make sure you take notes and you are aware of all of the policies, because if anything happens, we will always refer to the syllabus. Also, the contact information for me, your instructor, is here, so you can contact me through IM, phone, email, Twitter, etc. So make sure you're familiar with the syllabus. Then you can see that we have the modules. There are 5 modules, and we'll be talking about the modules a little more in detail later. But as you can see, as you scroll over the module, the weeks that are covered in that module will pop up. And then what you can do is click on the week to see what the activities are for that week. Now there's more information that I'll be adding in here, but everything that you will be responsible for will show up in that week. So if you go to the Week 2 folder, you'll see all of the information once it's posted that you will be responsible for. So it's really easy to follow along as long as you know what module we are in. When you are assigned a discussion, if you click on the discussion link, you will find all of the discussions as they come up. Right now you will only see one because we're only working on one, but all of the other discussions will also be included in this folder. So all you have to do is click on discussions, find a discussion that we are currently participating in, and then you can participate. Now it's really easy to participate in a discussion, but you have to be logged in first. So if you're not logged in, it's a little more difficult to respond. So let's go back to the main page and learn how to log in. Before we do that, let's go ahead and click on the calendar tab, and when you click on the calendar tab, you will see a calendar for the course. You can see when the office hours are, when we have class, and then when assignments are due. So those assignments will be added to this calendar as well. Okay, so back to the beginning quickly. So to log into the course, and you have been sent your login information, we will all be using our MEIDs. So you log in with your MEID and the password that was given to you in your email. Now I will show you in class how to change that password. But for now, we've logged in, as you can see, and now when I go to the discussion, you can see my picture shows me. I'm logged in as Alex. It shows me that Alex is online, and if anyone else were online with me, I would see them. But now I can see that when I click on the discussion, there is a box for me to be able to type in my discussion. So there's 2 ways to reply. I can type in my post. Okay, remember we want to have a minimum of 5 sentences. We want to have quality post, 50 words minimum. And then I can hit submit. I can also respond to other people's posts. Now, pictures aren't showing up right now, but I'm working on fixing that. Let's say I wanted to reply to Dr. Cooper. I would click reply and then type in. This is my reply. So a lot of what you'll be required to do is to reply to each other along with adding your own post. So here is an original post to the original question, and then this is a reply to Dr. Cooper. And then someone could come along and reply to me, and you can keep going. So that's what we call threaded discussions. So in order for you to do well, the key thing is to make sure that when you arrive on the site that you read the announcements, and then you go to the area that we are currently working on. So if we are in Module 1, Week 1, you click on that, and then make sure that you accomplish everything that's assigned for that week. Okay, that's it for now. Good luck.